Hello friends, welcome back. This is banana flavored tigernuts milk. Let me share with you how to make this at home. Now let's get started. Into a bowl I pour in my tiger nuts. To that I add water and then go ahead and wash it. Wash as many as you can, okay? I'll drain the water out, add water to it again, and then I give it another wash. I'll drain the water out, add another water, and this time round we are going to soak it overnight. So I will cover it and then put this in my refrigerator till the next day. Hello there, it's the next day. Rinse again and then drain the water out. We will also need a matured coconut. We take out the shell. There's still water inside and I'll do justice to that behind the scenes. Just like I promised, this is the fruit. We will also add banana. I'm using 4. This here, I've already removed the seeds in it and they are nicely clean already. We will also add ginger. If you want your milk to be spicy, add more ginger. Now I'll go ahead, dice the coconut and then the ginger. Get a strong blender and first go in with the tiger nuts. I add ginger, coconut, dates, banana, and then finally I add potable water. Guys, make sure the water you are using is safe for drinking because we are not going to cook the milk, okay? Now start with pause blend and then I blend till smooth. Oh la la, now I add water to it for easy straining. On a bowl I cover that with my chiffon cloth and then go ahead, strain this. Squeeze it hard to get the milk out. And there you have it, banana flavored tigernuts milk. Everything in here is natural. Now I transfer that into my jar. Guys, you don't even need to add sugar to it again because it tastes sweet. The banana is sweet, the tiger nut is sweet, the date is sweet, coconut is sweet, everything in here is sweet. So even if you add water, it will still taste sweet, so don't add sugar, okay? Now I serve myself, add some ice to it, and then you know the rest. I go ahead and enjoy. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. It tastes really good and I cannot explain the taste of this milk to you unless you give it a try. And you don't need to buy this one too, you can equally make it at home. Yummy, 10 over 10 minus nothing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed. Bye bye.